Turkey human rights abuses. The Justice and Development Party, AKP, led by Recep Erdogan, has increased restrictions on freedom of speech, freedom of the press, internet use, television content, and the right to freely assemble. The European Court for Human Rights found that Article 299 of the Criminal Code, which criminalizes insulting the president, was incompatible with the right to freedom of expression. The Ministry of Justice granted permission to open an investigation against 12 executives of the Ankara Bar Association. They were accused of insulting a public officer for criticizing homophobic and discriminatory remarks made by the president of the Directorate for Religious Affairs during a Friday sermon. Parliament approved an omnibus bill extending emergency powers for another year and allowing the dismissal of public servants, including judges and prosecutors, for having alleged links to terrorist organizations without the possibility of judicial review in 2021. The court sentenced human rights lawyer Nurkan Kaya to a suspended sentence of 1 year and 3 months imprisonment for making propaganda for a terrorist organization concerning a tweet about the Islamic State siege of Kobani in 2015. Human rights lawyer and defender Aaron Keskin was sentenced to 6 years and 3 months imprisonment for membership of a terrorist organization in the Özgür Gündem newspaper trial for participating in a solidarity campaign. The retrial of Sebnem Korur Finkansi and Erol Eroglu for their one-day editorial support of Özgür Gündem after their acquittals were overturned upon appeal. Their trials were held before a judge who acquitted them on all charges. Trial by jury is not allowed in the Turkish system. The General Directorate of Security issued a circular banning all audio-video recordings of law enforcement officers at protests. Controversy within progressive communities was sparked by plans to turn Turkey's former Christian Hagia Sophia churches in Trabzon and Istanbul into mosques, which was a plan that failed to gain support from the Muslim leaders in Trabzon. Turkey has so abused the Interpol Red Notice system that the organization reviewed all Red Notice requests sent from Turkey and revoked 144 of the Red Notices after determining those notices were politically motivated. That being said, Interpol determined that 784 Red Notices from Turkey were a legitimate use of the system. According to the European Court of Human Rights, Turkey is only second to Russia in human rights complaints lodged with the court. Tomorrow we will see how the amendments pushed through by President Erdogan in 2017 show a lack of respect for the spirit of the law and make for the abuse of its intent. Don't miss it, and thank you for watching.